Hello guys, do you have a Binance account bond token? If yes, don't miss this airdrop, Alphagpt. Don't miss it. So this is how to carry out this airdrop. First of all, you click on the form. So in case those that don't know what Binance account bond token means, you can only claim it when you have a Binance account. So I will also drop the process on how you can claim it in the description below. So the first thing you need to do, you drop in your Twitter username at youngchief, at Kelvin, at this, at that. Then you drop in your wallet address. But before you do that, ensure that you've carried out the requirements when dropping your username. You should have gone to the Alpha Twitter page to retweet, like, follow, and tag a friend or two. Then you come over to your wallet address. Then you impute your BNB smart chain address. Meanwhile, the smart chain address that is accepted is the one that has that Binance bond token. You can either have it in your Trust wallet or your MetaMask. So depending on where you have it, to connect the wallet accordingly. So once you've put it here, click on submit. Then you go over here. I'll be putting this also in the description. If you click on it, it will take you to a browser, which if you keep clicking on connect wallet, you can see that wallet not connected, wallet not connected, wallet not connected. This is the wrong way to do it. This is how to do it correctly in case you are encountering this problem. You go back here, you copy this very address, this alpha.co, then you copy it, then you go to your Trust wallet. You go to your Trust wallet or your MetaMask. Then you click on browser. Click on browser. Then paste the address that has been copied. Then send. Then you wait for it to load. It takes a little bit time, so let's just wait. So you can see now it's showing connect to your wallet, and right here you can see Ethereum. But what you want to claim is in BNB, is under BSC. Don't change this address from Ethereum to BNB off to BSC. Don't change it, just connect like this. You wait for it to get connected. It takes a little bit time. Wait for it to connect. This particular wallet I'm using does not have the Binance account bond token. I have it on my other account, so that's why it's not connecting. So, but let me explain this to you. Once you've gone through that process, if you do have a Binance account bond token on that wallet, once you click on connect, it will connect. It will show connect here. So the next step you do after you click on connect, you go to this top menu where they have three dots. You click on it. Then you switch from this EVM share Ethereum at the top. You click on BNB Smart Chain. You click on BNB Smart Chain. Now they're asking you to connect again. So if they ask you to connect again, it's supposed to show here. Once you're done connecting and you switched from EVN to BNB, once you switched for them, then you go to the down menu, token. You click on token. Once you've clicked on token, then you click on receive airdrop. You have to get 45 of this airdrop. Once you get 45, each of this airdrop costs currently, okay, they want me to fill a caption to show that I'm not a bot. Okay, Q. So that's success. So the current price of this AGPT is $1.10. $1.10. So guys, you can see that the account is connected already. BSC is connected already. So once I click on this, it took time, but you can see that it's connected at the top. Though I don't have a Binance account bond token here, so even if I click on receive airdrop, I might not receive it. Fail to claim, it does not detect that. It does not detect that the wallet holds BABT, that's Binance account bond token. So it's only for those people with Binance accounts. So you can claim that BAB token on Binance. They will only charge you 1 BUSD for that. So don't forget, once you are connected, you can switch over to Ethereum, to BSC rather, BSC Smart Chain over here. You can switch over to BSC Smart Chain. That's the only thing you can use before you come over to token. So once you're done with the process, congratulations. You'll be given 45 of their token, which one of their token cost currently is $1.10. So that's all. So subscribe to my channel and for more airdrop tips, legit airdrop tips. Thank you.